Welcome to the Alaska Migrant Education Program video training series. In this video, I am going to show you how to use the Alaska Migrant Web System to search for specific migratory children. Any student information displayed in this video is fictitious. After logging into ak.msedd.com and agreeing to the assurances page, you'll find yourself in the Home tab. Click on the Student sub-tab below the search bar. To search for a child, click on the search bar. You can search by student ID, student name, parent or guardian names, recruiter names, by date, or by date range. If you do a search by date range, be sure to format your date in the following way. Start date, formatted 2-digit month, 2-digit day, 4-digit year, dash the end date, formatted 2-digit month, 2-digit day, and 4-digit year. You can leave the start date or end date blank, but keep the dash if you want to search for a range of dates. Typing a date without the dash will only search for that specific date. When searching for children, it's important to remember, by default, you only search for active children. To change this, if for instance you can't find a child you're looking for, look to the right of the search bar and deselect the active only box. This will allow you to search for children that have ended their eligibility. To the left of the active only box is a matches for filter. Be sure to set this to all students to produce the most results when searching. There is also an advanced search option if you want to narrow your search criteria even more. Click on the plus sign at the far right side of the screen. This will display 8 fields that you can use to target your search: student name, parents, recruiter, birth date, QAD or qualifying arrival date, enroll date, COE date, EOE date, or end of eligibility date. This will allow you to search for specific criteria within a specific set of child-related data. For example, if you type Thomas into the basic search bar, the results will show all children that include the name Thomas anywhere in their associated data. If, however, you enter Thomas in the parents field of the advanced search, the results will only show children that have a parent with Thomas in their name. To exit out of the advanced search options, click the X button where the plus sign used to be. Once your search produces results, you can sort them based on any of the column headings displayed. To view more information about a particular child, find him or her in the results list and hover your cursor over the 3-line hamburger menu in the farthest right column. Typically, you will select either View Student Record or List COEs for the student. Selecting View Student Record will open a PDF that shows basic student information, basic qualifying information, enrollment history, service history, course history, assessment history, and priority for services history. Note that not all students will have all these types of information in the record. The student record can be downloaded by clicking the Download button in the upper right corner of the PDF. The record can be printed by clicking the Print button from the upper right-hand corner of the PDF. Be sure to destroy or securely save any records that you download or print when you no longer need them. You can return to the search results by clicking the Back to Search Results in the upper right corner. Selecting List COEs for this student will take you to the COE subtab and list all of the COEs associated with the selected child. From here, you can view, or if allowed, edit the child's COEs. A separate video on searching for COEs in the web system describes your options here in greater detail. To return to the search results, click the Student subtab beneath the search bar. In addition to viewing the student record or a list of COEs for a particular child, you can expand the child's line in the search results list to quickly view their previous enrollments. To do this for a specific child, find him or her in the results list and click on the arrow button in the furthest left column. Their previous enrollments will be displayed below the child's line. Remember to sign out when you're finished working in the web system. Thank you for the work you do to support Alaska's migratory children and youth. For more information and resources about the Alaska Migrant Education Program, visit our webpage at education.alaska.gov/ESEA/Title I-C, and remember, you can always find detailed information in our manual. You can connect with the Alaska Department of Education and Early Development through our website and on social media at Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Flickr, YouTube, and Vimeo.